Good noon, all of you. Today I discuss about phosphorus. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Phosphorus, there are two allotrope of phosphorus are found. One is white phosphorus and other is red phosphorus. White phosphorus P4 and red holo P8. P4 is more reactive than that of P8. P4 is more reactive than that of P8. What is the reason behind it? Because their structure is liable to more reactive or less reactive. At first we draw the structure of P4 and P8. P4, this is the structure of P4. 4 phosphorus atom, the bond angle of P bond angle equal to 60 degree, and P8 phosphorus 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 phosphorus. From our boyhood we know any molecule does not react without converted to atom. In order to convert it to atom, P4 have to break less bond than that of phosphorus, red phosphorus. Red phosphorus breaking, it has to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 bond breaking করতে হয়. So more energy is required to break the bond. As a result, it is less active. If requiring more energy, then become less active. If requiring lower energy, it become more active. Not only that, but also P bond angle should be 60 degree, but it is appeared only 60 degree. So one type of strain is arise to the bond. As a result, lower energy is required to break the bond. As a result, P4 become more active than that of red phosphorus. As a result, red phosphorus react with caustic soda, aqueous solution to produce PaH3, NaH2PO2. But P8, this reaction does not follow. P8, this reaction follow করে না. This reaction is very important reaction because this is the preparation of phosphine. Not only that, it is a disproportionation reaction because the oxidation state of phosphorus is 0 and this phosphorus minus 3, this phosphorus plus 1. The oxidation state which is reducing, so it is a reduction reaction, and this is increasing, so it is the oxidation reaction. So if from one element oxidation and reaction are occurred, this reaction is said to be disproportion or dismutation reaction. Not only that, there are 3 kind of acid are found by phosphorus, which are shown below. Phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid. H3, PO4, H3, PO3, H3, PO2. This structure is this, and this structure is this, and this structure is this. The hydrogen which are attached with oxygen can donate. It can donate 3 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 1 hydrogen atom. So basicity 3, 2, 1. These hydrogen atoms which are directly attached with phosphorus do not donate, because this hydrogen is more attached by phosphorus. Higher energy is required to break this bond. As a result, this hydrogen does not replacemented or not donating. As a result, it can donate only this hydrogen atom, these hydrogen atom, and these hydrogen atom. So there are basicity 3, basicity 2, basicity 1. এখান থেকে ঘুরিয়ে কোশ্চেন আসতে পারে যে তোমাকে বললো H3PO3 does not exist. Sorry, Na3PO3. Na3PO3 does not exist. Why? From Na3PO3 we know the producing or initial acid is H3PO3. That means this acid. These acid have only 2 hydrogen atom which are donated, but 1 hydrogen atom does not donated. As a result, this basicity is 2. So Na2PO3 is formed. Na2PO3 is formed, but not Na3PO3. This 1 hydrogen, rest of hydrogen is available to this acid or salt. Never be donated or replacemented. As a result, this basicity is only 2. But Na3PO4 also formed, because the 3 hydrogen can be donated. এটা কোশ্চেনটা যদি ঘুরিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে যে Na2HPO4 is acidic salt. It acidic salt, but Na2HPO3 is a normal salt. This 1 hydrogen is rest of replaced. এখনো replaced হয়নি. So this hydrogen can be donated or replacemented. As a result, this salt is acidic salt. Despite of 1 hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom is directly connected by phosphorus. As a result, this hydrogen does not donated. So despite of this 1 hydrogen, it is a normal salt because it cannot donate it. আমাদের যদি হাতে if white phosphorus is touch our hand, then we should washing by copper sulfate solution. Why? Because copper sulfate react with white phosphorus to producing phosphoric acid and sulfuric acid. Copper sulfate plus H2O plus white phosphorus. Copper plus H2SO4 plus H3PO4 plus water. water তো এখানে আছে, waterটা হবে না, এরকম রিঅ্যাকশন হয়। As a result, এখানে সালফেট আছে বলে সালফিউরিক অ্যাসিড, ফসফরাস আছে বলে ফসফরিক অ্যাসিড, আর কপারটা এখানে প্রেসিপিটেশন হবে, ইট ইজ রিডিউস। কপার সালফেটের জায়গায় যদি HbNO3 দেওয়া হয়, H2O P4 হতো, সেম জিনিস হতো। কপারের জায়গায় সিলভার প্রেসিপিটেশন হতো, আর নাইট্রেট আছে বলে নাইট্রিক অ্যাসিড হয়ে যেত, H3PO4 is formed. Next, other question. Group 15 elements have more ionization potential than that of group 16 elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. group 16 elements, which have electronic configuration NS2 NQ4. NQ4 electronic configuration 1 1 1 1. This is a partially filled electronic configuration. That's electronic configuration NS2 NP3. 1 electron. There are 3 electrons are present of its outermost shell. 3. It is a half-filled electronic configuration because p orbital contains maximum 6 electrons. The 3 electron indicate the half-filled electronic configuration, which is more stable. So higher energy is required to remove electron of its outermost shell, but lower energy is required to remove outermost shell. As a result, ionization potential of group 15 elements is much more greater than that of group 16 elements. समझ गया? Next, other question. The moisturizer Cl2 can bleaching, but dry Cl2 does not. Moist Cl2 acts as a bleaching, but dry Cl2 does not. Moist Cl2 plus H2O, HCl plus nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen plus coloring substance এটা হয়ে যাবে হোয়াইট হয়ে যাবে। আর dry Cl2 does not produce nascent oxygen, so it is not a bleaching agent. समझे क्या? Allotrope, write the allotrope of oxygen and sulfur. The allotrope of sulfur, which are S8, rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, and colloidal sulfur. And other, the oxygen allotrope of O2, dioxygen, O3, ozone. The dipole moment of NF3 is less than NH3. Why? The structure of NF3 equal to F, 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 and NH3 structure is H, H, H. Lone pair move the upside and the 3 fluorine atom repulse the electron. 3 fluorine atom attract the electron downward direction. So it is upward and this downward. So movement of electron down the group but less. Something is neutralized by the lone pair. So mu value is less. On the other hand, the lone pair move upside and all are move upper side movement. So their all movement are upside. So their dipole moment become high. So it is more polar. More dipole moment, more polar. Less dipole moment, less polar. समझे क्या? SO2 is polar or non-polar. Explain. SO2 is polar compound because SO2 the lone pair. The attraction of lone pair is negligible in the sense of 2 oxygen atom. So it is bond angle on 9 degree. The formula of mu equal to root over mu1 square mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. This value is mu1, this value is mu2. It is denoted by x, it is also x. So x square plus 2 into x are cos on 9.5 degree. X square plus x square 2x square minus half পুরোপুরি হয় না, অ্যাজিউম করে নিলাম আমরা। 2 দিন কাটা গেল equal to 2x square minus x square root over. Therefore root over x square x. It is not 0. So the value of dipole moment is not 0. So is a polar compound. As a result, we can say sulfur dioxide is a polar compound, whereas other elements something occurred. No comparable question is arise here. uh, this type of question may be given to you. I understanding it and put this to you, and you, if you understand, then you tell me. Not understand, also tell me. I further try to understand you. समझे क्या?